The production of steel, aluminium or ceramic tiles requires a lot of heat. Within the EU-funded project Etekina, researchers and industry partners have now joined forces to recover up to 70% of the thermal energy of these production processes. Their plan is to use heat exchangers, which will not only help to reduce the production costs, but also lower CO2 emissions by up to 40%. The technology is based on heat pipes, long metal tubes that transfer thermal energy passively from a hot to a cold stream. These sealed pipes are filled with a volatile liquid. After the fluid has absorbed heat energy at the lower end, it vaporizes and carries the thermal energy upwards to the condenser section, where it encounters a lower temperature. As this section is cooler, the vapor turns back to a liquid and thereby releases heat energy. The liquid runs down the inner wall back to the evaporator section, where it all starts over again. Such heat pipes are a very efficient way to transfer heat from a hot area to a cooler part of an industrial setup. In a heat exchanger, many of those heat pipes work in parallel to multiply the effect of the heat transfer. The engineers will now try to design the best arrangement of these heat pipes so that they provide the most effective heat transfer for the different industrial settings. The challenge: within the production lines, there are many chemical processes and exhausts that could possibly damage the system. So, the engineers need to find the right setup and select the right materials for the heat pipes so that the thermal recovery will work efficiently within the temperature range applied. By 2021, the consortium plans to design, build and test 3 different heat exchanger prototypes for an aluminium casting facility in Arrasate in Spain, for a ceramics production line in Modena in Italy, and for a steel factory in Ravna na Koroškem in Slovenia. For more information on the developments, check our homepage, etekina.eu. Etekina, heat pipe technologies for industrial applications.